Guys, so today's just been kind of a chill day. I haven't really done anything, including vlogging. Hey, come here, kitty. So I have Kane here. Want to say hi, Kane? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. No? You want to say hi? Meow. I guess he doesn't want to say anything. Thank you. And then it was weird because Sarah was explaining to me what this is, and it's, well, I have it, hold on. What it is, when you get out of surgery or whatever, you have to like inhale. No, get away from that. You have to inhale to this, but keep that little indicator in the middle there. So and I guess it just gives them some kind of readings, but you can't blow out. The thing doesn't blow out. You have to suck in. Hi, Bubba. I'm gonna enjoy my cat for right now. Ah, good, guys. The Cardinals are, excuse my hair, I'm pretty sure it looks like crap. I didn't think about that in the last clip. Hold on. Ah, good, guys. Like I was saying, the Cardinals are 3-0 along with the Cincinnati Bengals. There's another team, the Eagles, and one more. I can't think about it. Come on, pop it in my head. Shoot, I can't remember, but it's just like the most random team. But anyway, they're 3-0, which means they're undefeated so far. Next week they have a bye week, but then the week after they have to play the Seattle Seahawks, and hopefully we can beat them. If we can beat them, the rest of our season's going to be freaking awesome. We beat the 49ers, which was the best thing that ever happened to me, because I hate the 49ers. You guys know that. But this means that the 49ers are 1-2. The Seahawks are 2-1, I believe, because they beat the Broncos. This means that the Cardinals are at the top of the NFC West. And I'm excited about that. See, got this, got that right there. I'm so excited. Supporting Arizona. I've been an Arizona fan since I was little. So I'm quite happy that they're off to a great start this season. I know that can go down really quickly, but I'm just happy that they've made 3-0. It's just awesome. Look at your eyes. What's the matter, buddy? You all excited? You all excited, huh? Okay. What was that? Alright, you're being too damn cute. I gotta turn off the camera now. Alright. And on that adorable account, I almost messed that up. I think I'll close today's quickie vlog. It's a quickie cat vlog. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you had a fantastic day. I hope you had a safe evening, morning, afternoon, and night. And I hope you enjoyed my little footage of Mr. Kane here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
When the sun burns out, we'll light the world with tiny glowing screens. Tiny glowing screens, glowing screens. When the sun burns out, we'll light the world with tiny glowing screens. Tiny glowing screens. I've seen a person go to shows and raise